Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning and my kitchen was clean when I came in here. Like, the table was all cleared off. These are only dishes from breakfast. I even have a chicken in the crock pot already. I'm excited. And it's time to do school and I already got a shower.
And today's page is 33.
Yeah, we're gonna do lesson 33. What?
I can put it back.
Okay, so how do you know there's 33?
3.
There's 3 and a 3, that means 33. How many straws is this right here?
10, 20, 30.
30, because we know that 10 straws are in a bundle of 10s, and then 3 singles.
And I know that that's 33 because there's a 33 on this.
Where?
Under the 30.
Good job. You found it. How did you find it?
Because I looked find the row of 3.
Because you knew it ended in a 3, right?
Uh-huh.
And then this row right here starts with 3s. All right, now we're gonna go do a reading lesson, and we are gonna do this book right here. I am seriously impressed with this book. This is our first like official homeschooling thing that we're doing. I had my degree in elementary education. I was certified in Texas to teach pre-K through 4th grade, and that's since lapsed and everything. I'm not certified anymore in Texas because I wasn't in the classroom and doing anything. I was building my family instead. Hey. That's my seat. Move out. I really like this though because it tells you what to tell your kids, like what you say is in red, and then what they should do or say is in black. And it's just very, very simple. It tells you to go through it and like familiarize yourself with the lesson beforehand. And I did that for like the first 3 lessons, I think, but now I'm like, I don't prep for it. We just go through it, and they're doing really, really good.
Mom,
Zeke,
you already know what's on.
what is this word? Say it fast.
Duck.
Good job. I'm really impressed. Zeke is 4, and he's keeping up with this. Hannah can like read quicker, but Zeke's learning how to read, and I'm impressed. Hallie tries to do school with us too. Are you sounding out the words?
No, it's saying.
Yeah, but what is that sound?
Duh.
Let's see if we can find it for you, Hallie. Oh, here you go, Hallie. Here's a S. Good job.
Hallie saying
Good job. I'm actually not going to be surprised if Hallie learns how to read quicker because she does like to sit here and sound out the sounds with us. This is the part that really impresses me with the kids. Listen to this. All right, this is your first time to see these words and read them, okay? Let's read.
We see a duck. We can sit in the sun with duck.
All right, let's go from the beginning.
We see a duck. We can sit in the sun with the duck.
What is this word?
What did you hear?
What is this word?
That
Yes.
duck.
Yeah. Good job, Zeke.
Did you hear how good I did it?
Yes, but Hannah, what is this word?
That.
Yeah, you said the. It's really hard because these, whenever and mommy does this too. When you're reading and you just see the first 2 letters of a word, you kind of already know what words start with that sound, and so you just kind of assume that it's one of the words, but you don't actually read it. So what word is this?
The.
What is this one?
The. That. that.
No.
You say that. No.
Pronounce. No, Zuka's right.
That.
Come look at this word.
That.
You're adding an E in there. You're saying THEAT. But it's just THAT. You're going the, and I don't see an E. I only see an A.
Oh.
Okay? The kids are so excited after our lesson today. Oh, we still need to do handwriting. We'll do that in a little bit. But they're so excited after the reading part that they got their library books out and are reading library books.
It
Was
a
special
day in Pixie Hollow. All the fairies gathered around. Oh, wow.
That is exactly right, Hannah.
Her name was Tinkerbell.
Good job, Hannah. I am so proud of her. I really am really proud of you. That's amazing. Are you excited? Are you proud of yourself?
This page.
Are you proud of yourself? Good. You should be.
These two.
All right. Now it is lunchtime or dessert time, huh? Well, I'm not going to give you that. I have already experienced several times leaving a bowl or something on Toby's tray because I usually try to put the tray down to where it like captures his hands so I can feed him without making a big huge mess. And I know he does need to learn to feed himself and everything, but right now I just don't feel like doing a big huge mess. When it gets warmer outside and he can just go without his shirt on and it'll just be super simple to clean him up, then I'll let him start exploring. But now that it's still cold outside, I don't want to deal with the mess and having to strip him down and be cold and everything. So, Mommy feed you for you, huh? Yeah, as long as you get food, isn't that what matters? Hi.
I'm making a little... No, it's not. You know? Okay. It's going to be for someone else. But Katie sticks onto little Legos. And we'll play with little Legos too. Little toys. This. Oh, thank you. Watch this. Zeke, watch this. Look, it's like a Katie's rocket. Can I have it? Yeah, it's Katie's rocket.
We just finished off the day just hanging out, watching the kids play, and just enjoying time with each other. And now I am ready for bed and just writing in my prayer journal here. And yeah, gonna get some shut-eye until Toby wakes me up at who knows what time it's gonna be. So hope you guys had a wonderful day. We will see you on Friday. Bye.
How's the dishwasher cleaning going? So you do the scrubbing, Hannah? Is that what you do? And then, so Hannah scrubs. She puts them into that one. And then Hallie, those are clean or dirty. Those don't get to put away. Hallie loves unloading dishwasher and putting dishes away. those are dirty. Those have to stay in there.